The drone industry just got shaken up in a way we haven't seen in years. DJI has finally unveiled the Neo 2, and trust me, this is not just another drone. This is a bold leap forward that could change everything we thought we knew about aerial creativity. From a brand new 1-inch 6K camera system to smarter AI flight modes, longer battery life, and even pro-level features packed into a compact, travel-friendly design, the Neo 2 feels like the perfect balance between a professional filmmaking tool and a consumer-friendly drone. And in this video, we're diving deep into everything you need to know. The design upgrades, the powerful camera, flight performance, AI tracking, price, and whether the Neo 2 is truly the drone that changes everything forever. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. So if you've been waiting for a game-changing upgrade in the drone world, stay tuned, because this one is going to blow your mind. The world of drones has always been in a state of rapid evolution, but every once in a while, a product comes along that completely redefines expectations. In 2025, that product will be the DJI Neo 2. DJI has long been the leader in aerial innovation, shaping the drone industry with devices that have consistently pushed the boundaries of portability, image quality, and intelligent flight features. From the legendary Phantom series to the compact mini drones, DJI has established itself as the gold standard for creators and professionals alike. But the Neo 2 is different. This isn't just a refinement, it is a bold leap into the future, a product that promises to blur the lines between professional filmmaking tools and consumer-friendly devices. With its cutting-edge design, game-changing technology, and surprising accessibility, the DJI Neo may very well be the drone that changes everything forever. When the first-generation DJI Neo was unveiled, it shocked the market by being a compact yet powerful drone that offered much of DJI's signature technology at a lower price point. It was aimed at creators who wanted something more advanced than a DJI Mini but more portable and affordable than a Mavic. The Neo struck that perfect middle ground. However, like any first-generation product, it wasn't flawless. Battery life, wind resistance, and certain professional features were limited. Now, with the Neo 2, DJI has responded directly to community feedback. The result is a machine that feels not only more polished but also vastly more ambitious. Let's begin with the design. At first glance, the Neo 2 feels familiar, retaining the compact and foldable body that made the original Neo so travel-friendly. But on closer inspection, every detail has been refined. The drone's arms fold more smoothly, the frame feels sturdier, and the weight distribution has been optimized for better balance in the air. Despite being lightweight enough to carry effortlessly in a small bag, it no longer feels fragile. DJI has also re-engineered the aerodynamics of the Neo 2, which improves both stability and efficiency. The propellers are quieter, the body has a sleeker profile, and heat management has been improved to allow for longer sustained flights even in challenging conditions. It's a drone that doesn't just look futuristic, it feels engineered for the next generation of aerial creativity. But of course, what truly matters is the camera system, and here the Neo 2 makes perhaps its boldest statement yet. Equipped with a 1-inch CMOS sensor capable of shooting up to 6K video at 60 frames per second and 20 megapixel stills, the Neo 2 brings professional-grade imaging into a